In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on your iPhone camera. So, let's get started. If you're new to iPhone or haven't used the timer on the camera before, it might be a little tricky to find. Here's how to locate it and how to use it. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. You can choose either photo or portrait mode. Now, tap the up arrow located at the top middle of the screen. Alternatively, you can also swipe up on the Mode menu, which is the horizontal menu directly under the image the camera is displaying, to open mode settings. Next, tap the timer icon. Here, you'll find three options: timer off, 3 seconds, and 10 seconds. Depending on your needs, tap either the 3 seconds or 10 seconds option. Then press the shutter button and the countdown will flash on screen. Once the timer is done, the camera will capture a series of 10 shots in a short burst. So, that's how you can set a timer on an iPhone camera. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.